A warm welcome to all of you tuning in to Nourish Your DNA. We are here to embark on a journey, exploring the intricate relationships that exist within our bodies. Specifically, we'll be shedding light on the crucial role of DNA and essential molecules in maintaining a healthy heart. Our DNA, the blueprint of life, coupled with essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, plays a pivotal role in our overall health. But did you know they could be the key to cleaning our arteries and lowering bad cholesterol? Yes, indeed, these tiny yet powerful elements of our bodies can significantly influence the free flow of blood in our circulatory system. So join us as we dive deep into the science behind these phenomena and learn how we can harness this knowledge to improve our heart health. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of DNA and heart health. The DNA, our biological blueprint, plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms. It's the carrier of our genetic information, the set of instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. But how exactly does DNA influence our heart health? In every cell of our body, DNA carries genes, units of heredity that hold the information to build and maintain an organism's cells and pass genetic traits to offspring. Some of these genes are directly linked to heart health. They can affect how our bodies regulate blood pressure, control inflammation, manage cholesterol levels, and respond to oxidative stress, all factors that can influence our risk of heart disease. For instance, certain variations in our genes can make us more susceptible to high blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart disease. Others might influence how our bodies metabolize fats, affecting our cholesterol levels. Still, others might affect how our bodies respond to inflammation, a process that can lead to the buildup of plaques in our arteries, impeding the free flow of blood and potentially leading to heart attacks or strokes. However, our genes are not our destiny. While we cannot change our genetic makeup, we can influence how our genes are expressed. That's where lifestyle and environmental factors come in. Healthy lifestyle choices, such as a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management, can positively influence the expression of these heart-related genes. Conversely, unhealthy choices can trigger harmful gene expressions, leading to heart disease. Moreover, recent research has shown that certain molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids can also influence gene expression, supporting heart health by cleaning the arteries from plaques and lowering bad cholesterol. Understanding our DNA is the first step in maintaining a healthy heart. By knowing our genetic predispositions and making conscious lifestyle choices, we can influence our genes' expression to support heart health. And with the help of essential molecules, we can further enhance this process, unlocking the potential of our DNA for a healthier heart. Essential molecules like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids are vital for heart health. Let's start with nucleotides. These tiny powerhouses are the basic units of our DNA, the hereditary material in humans and almost all other organisms. They play a crucial role in cellular energy transfer, serving as the currency of intracellular energy transfer. Think of them as the batteries powering our heart cells, enabling them to pump blood more efficiently around the body. Moving on to oligopeptides. These are short chains of amino acids that have multiple functions in the body. Some oligopeptides act as hormones, sending signals that help regulate bodily functions. Others play a crucial role in the cardiovascular system, helping to maintain healthy blood pressure levels. By working in harmony with nucleotides, oligopeptides ensure our heart is functioning optimally and blood is flowing freely. And finally, we have amino acids. Often referred to as the building blocks of life, amino acids are compounds that combine to form proteins. They're vital for a host of functions, from building cells and repairing tissue to supporting a robust immune system. Specifically for heart health, certain amino acids help lower bad cholesterol levels and clean our arteries from plaques. This ensures a smooth journey for blood, reducing the risk of heart disease. So, how do these molecules work together for heart health? Picture a well-oiled machine. The nucleotides provide the energy, the oligopeptides manage the system, and the amino acids perform the repair and maintenance. Together they ensure the machine, in this case our heart, operates at peak performance. These molecules are indeed the building blocks of our health, acting as the keystones of a strong heart. By understanding their roles and ensuring we're providing our bodies with these essential molecules, we're taking a significant step towards maintaining a healthy heart. And remember, a healthy heart doesn't just mean a longer life, it means a life filled with energy and vitality. These molecules are the building blocks of our health, acting as the keystones of a strong heart. Imuregen, a phenomenal product, is a game changer for heart health. Imagine a product that contains the very building blocks of life, the essential molecules that our bodies use every day. That's the power of imuregen. It's not just a supplement, it's a partner in maintaining a healthy heart. Imuregen is packed with nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids, the very molecules that play a crucial role in our DNA, and in turn, our heart health. These molecules are like the diligent workers in our body's factory, constantly repairing, building, and maintaining our DNA to ensure everything runs smoothly. Just as a well-oiled machine functions without a hitch, a body supplied with these essential molecules can better maintain a healthy heart. But how does imuregen do this? Well, it's simple. Imuregen harnesses the power of these molecules to help clean our arteries from plaques. Imagine these plaques as roadblocks in our body's highway, causing traffic jams and slowing down the flow of blood. A healthy heart enables us to live life to the fullest. A statement that encapsulates the profound impact of heart health on our overall well-being. Imagine a machine working tirelessly, day in and day out, to ensure that every part of your body gets the fuel it needs to function optimally. That's your heart for you, a relentless engine of life. When our heart is in good health, it's like having a supercharged engine under the hood. It translates to increased energy levels, allowing us to engage in activities we love, be it hiking, dancing, playing with our kids, or simply enjoying a walk in the park. A healthy heart keeps us vibrant, active, and full of life. But the benefits of a healthy heart extend far beyond just physical vigor. It also influences our mental well-being. Studies have shown a direct link between heart health and cognitive function. A healthy heart ensures a steady flow of oxygen-rich blood to the brain, which is crucial for maintaining mental sharpness and memory. So, a healthy heart not only keeps us physically agile but also mentally alert. And then there's longevity. A strong and healthy heart is synonymous with a longer life. Heart disease remains a leading cause of death worldwide, but by taking care of our heart, we can significantly reduce this risk. Moreover, it's not just about adding years to our life, but life to our years. A healthy heart means fewer hospital visits, reduced healthcare costs, and more time spent enjoying life's precious moments. It's also worth noting that a healthy heart can be a catalyst for overall lifestyle improvement. When we start taking steps towards improving our heart health, we often find ourselves adopting better dietary habits, engaging in regular physical activity, and reducing stress, all of which contribute to a healthier, happier life. In the end, a healthy heart is not just about living longer, it's about living better. It's about embracing a lifestyle that not only adds years to your life, but also enhances the quality of those years. It's about nourishing your DNA and empowering your heart, your tireless engine of life. Imuregen, with its essential molecules, supports our quest for a healthy heart. This phenomenal product, as we've learned, is a mighty ally in maintaining a heart that thrives, thanks to components like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids. These molecules, often overlooked, play a critical role in our heart health by cleaning our arteries and lowering bad cholesterol. Our DNA, the blueprint of our health, is instrumental in this process, ensuring the smooth flow of blood in our circulatory system. As we've traversed through this video, we've unveiled the intricate connections between our DNA, essential molecules, and heart health. It's time we consider these factors in our well-being journey. Imuregen, with its potent ingredients, can be a game changer, an invaluable support system in our pursuit of a healthy heart. Remember to take a closer look at the description below to learn more about imuregen. Thank you for joining us today on Nourish Your DNA. Until next time, nourish your DNA, nourish your heart.